Welcome everyone. Today we're gonna deep dive into how to do your Coinbase Wallet crypto taxes, because let's be honest, we have to document that and we have to submit our crypto taxes. So I'm gonna show you today step by step how you get all your Coinbase Wallet transactions into a crypto tax software like coin tracking so you can make your crypto tax report. So let's dive into the computer. All right. If we are here at our computer and we open up the Coinbase Wallet, we will see our balance and all the networks we traded on. We've been on Ethereum, we've been on Binance Smart Chain, and we have been on Arbitrum. And there's not really an export setting in the Coinbase Wallet to get like your CSV or make a statement about your taxes, but you can easily do that with coin tracking. If you're not signed up with coin tracking yet, there will be a link in the video description where you can sign up for free for a 7-day trial period, and then you can test it out for yourself if you like it or not. It's very easy and you don't even have to give an email. You will sign up in just 30 seconds. Then once you are in coin tracking and you have your Coinbase wallet open, all you have to do is grab your wallet address. You will find it on top right here. If you press that, you will see your Ethereum address, and your Ethereum address is the same for the Binance Smart Chain address and the same for the Arbitrum address. So once we click that and copy that to the clipboard, and then we can go to coin tracking. In here, we can go and implement, for example, the Ethereum API. So you will not find a Coinbase wallet importer, but you will have to use the blockchain networks you used in the Coinbase wallet, if that makes sense for you. Now, we click on Ethereum, and then we simply paste this address in here and name it the Coinbase wallet. It's always important to document everything what you do and label it. So later on in the end of the year, once some time passed on and you don't remember what you actually did and why you did it, then you will find it very handy if you label stuff and document it well. So later on, you know exactly what happened and you don't have to rethink your whole system. Now, you don't have to do any settings in here. In coin tracking, everything is preset for you, so it's very convenient. And then you simply click import all the Ethereum transactions and activate the job. It will take about 3 seconds to activate the API connection to the blockchain, and then coin tracking will start pulling all the transactions automatically into the software, so you don't have to do all that manually anymore. This will take up to, 5 minutes until all the transactions are collected from the blockchain and imported. In the meantime, you can go into the imports again and then start importing everything else. Meaning if you have any exchanges, any other wallet addresses, any hardware wallets, coldware wallet, everything, whatever you have to import that here into coin tracking so the whole transaction history is complete and makes sense. If you miss that, then you will have some trouble with the tax report in the end, and you will have errors and you will have to go back and do that anyways. So make it from the beginning on correct. Once all the transactions have loaded into your account and you go in here to the importer, you will see under imports a 1, meaning there has been 1 import so far, and this API job will check every single day if there are any new transactions in your wallet and then pull them into the software automatically. If you click transactions, then you will see all the transactions in your account, and you can check them as well. You can go on analysis and check your portfolio, the transactions, the gains and tax reports, the check reports, which are very handy to see if there are any errors or faulty transactions in your account. And then only once you have done all that and imported all the transactions, then we can move on to the tax report section. So once you click the tax report symbol, then you will land on the tax report page, and on the left side you can set the year you want to create the tax report for. For our case, it's 2025. And in the settings, you can select your country and the settings for your tax report. If you select the country, all the preset settings are the recommendations from coin tracking, so you don't actually have to change anything. For my case, it's Germany, and then those are the settings which are recommended by coin tracking. But we also have the United States and the United Kingdom and a lot of more countries depending on where you're sitting at. Now, if everything is correctly in here, then you simply click Generate Tax Report, and within seconds, the 2025 report was generated for me. I simply click Load Report, and then I will see the summary of the tax report. Once I checked all the numbers and checked the capital gains report, the income report, and so on, Then I can scroll up and download my generated tax report. All I have to do is click this button. I will have here some more settings if I want to adjust those settings, like the group transactions, the full extent report, or edit the personal data. I can do that. If not, you simply download the PDF or download the Excel file, and then you can submit your crypto taxes or give this report to your CPA, and then he will submit that for you. As you see, it's very easy to generate your crypto tax report with a tool like coin tracking for your Coinbase wallet. And if you have any questions, then leave them down in the comment section down below. We will answer every single comment, and give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.